This is my trick of writing the electron configuration of the Lanthanide series. So for now, let's forget the first two elements of the Lanthanide series, and starting from praseodymium. You will see that all of them, they have 4f orbitals, 6s orbitals. All of them, they have 4f orbitals and 6s orbitals. So up to lutetium, with the exception of lutetium and gadolinium. Gadolinium has 5d orbitals too, and then lutetium also have 5d orbitals. So what I want you to know now is that for the 5d orbital, they have, one electron. Any element that has 5d orbital has one electron. So from the third element up to lutetium, all of them, they have 4f orbital and 6s orbital. So with the exception of gadolinium, which has 5d, and lutetium, which also have 5d. So now the second thing I want you to know is that all the 6s orbitals, they have two electrons. All the 6s orbitals, they have two electrons. So now we know that from the third element up to lutetium, all of them, they have 4f orbitals, 6s orbitals, and then the exception is that gadolinium here and lutetium here have have 5d orbitals including. So now we are done with that. Looking at the 4f orbitals, we start from the third one, which is, we know that xenon. Let's We are starting from the third one. So let's look at F. We start numbering F. So after you are done writing your xenon and those stuff, 4F, 4Ls, you don't forget to add gadolinium, to add 5d orbital to gadolinium and 5d orbital to xenon. So now looking at your 4F orbitals, how to number them? We know that the 6s orbitals has two electrons. All of them has they have two electrons. So for the 4f orbital, we start with the third element. So numbering F, we start from 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. 7 repeated itself. 7 repeat itself twice. Then 8. Notice this very well. 7, we have 7, 7, and then 8. We don't have 9 here. 9 is not part. For the exponent of F, 9 is not part. So after 7, 7, 8, then we jump into 9. We jump into 10. So now we start from 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14. Yes, I hope you can see the trend now. Yes, for the when we are up to 7, 7, then we 7, 7, 8, 9 is not part, then you start numbering from 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, then 14, 14. 14 repeated itself twice. So now let me sum everything up. Let me summarize everything up. We start from the third element. We know xenon is there. All of them, they have 4f and 6s. But the 6s have, all of them, they have 4f and 6s. With the exception of gadolinium and lutetium, they have 5d including. They also have 5d. But those 5ds they have only one electron. So all of them have 4f, 6s. Gadolinium has 5d including. Lutetium has 5d including. Then now we know all the 6s they have two electrons. And we know that we started from the third element. So we start numbering F. So from 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9 is not included. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14. So that's it. Then now, when you're done with that, you look at the first two elements. For them, I think we can handle them with lanthanum having 5d and 6s, and the cerium also having 4f, 5d, and 6s. You will see that anytime we have 6s, S will have, two S will have two electrons, and 5D normally have one electron, you see, and Cerium has 4F1, 5D, then 6S. Anytime you see that we have 6S there, then you could recall that S will take two electrons. So that's it. So let me summarize everything up. We start from the third element. We know that all of them, they have 4F and 6S orbitals, with the exception of gadolinium and lutetium. They have 5D including. So we know that they have 4F, 6S. So S will take a maximum of 2 electrons. Since we are starting from the third element, they will start numbering 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. 7 repeated itself, 8. Then we know that 9 is not part. So 10, 11, 12, 13, up to 14, 14. So that is it. That is my trick of recalling, the electron configuration of the Lanthanide series. And then kindly subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Let me give you another hint. This is about colors. For colors, the first two, La and Ce, and the last two, um, Lutetium and Lutetium, they are colorless, including gadolinium. So those are the elements that are colorless. I'll have another video on colors. That one will also be a trick to record the colors of Lanthanide series. So first two, last two, including gadolinium, are colorless. Thanks for watching.